Hi, I'm Rachel Lees. I'm Learning and Development Manager here at MoneyPlus, and I am studying the Level 7 Senior People Professional. The reason I chose to do an apprenticeship was because I'd always wanted to do my Level 7 qualification with the CIPD. An apprenticeship seemed a really great way to access the qualification at minimal cost to my company, and also allowing me to implement what I was learning along the way. Yes, combining work and study is a challenge, especially when you're in a strategic role, which is obviously one of the requirements of a Level 7 qualification. So having to find the time and be really intentional about the time you put aside for your study is really key for me. My career goal is to be a Chief People Officer one day. I think on my first day when I joined this company, I sat down with my CEO and I was like, I will be on your board one day. And that is still my ambition. And I'm really hopeful that having the Level 7 under my belt will really help me get there. My learning coach is fabulous. I couldn't speak any more highly of her. She is so supportive, not just with the content of the apprenticeship, but she really notices, if I'm a little bit out of sorts, if I'm not my usual self. I really feel like my learning coach has took the time to really get to know me, not just the learner in front of her, but Rachel as a person. I am a huge advocate of apprenticeships and I recommend them to anyone going. I think for me, the massive benefit with apprentices and apprenticeships is the ability to embed that learning into your role almost immediately. That's the big thing that I always champion.